Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness on Android 16. Let's begin. Now this is really easy. All you want to do is simply expand the control center once, do it the second time, and here at the top we should see a nice bar that is related to the brightness of your screen. If we increase it, then the brightness of the phone is increased, and if we decrease it, the brightness of the phone is decreased. Amazing! So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll